Hello everybody, hope you're all doing fine. If you're new to my channel, you can subscribe to my channel for the videos on mathematics. We were doing chapter number 11 of grade 7. Chapter name is area and perimeter. We have seen the formulas related to the area and perimeter of a circle and semicircle. Today we will see next questions from exercise 11.3. We have done first 3 questions from this exercise. Let's see question number 4. Question number 4 is saying that this is a circular garden with the diameter 21 meters, and to fence it with a rope twice we have to find the length of the rope. So I told you that what the perimeter or circumference is distance around the circle. So if we need to fence it, that means we have to calculate its circumference. Let's see circumference of circular garden. So 2 into 22 by 7. What will be the value of r? If day is 21, it will be 21 by 2. So here we can cancel the things out. So we are left with 66 meter. 66 meter is the circumference of this circular garden, but we have to fence it with a rope and we have to give 2 rounds to the rope. So we will do then for 2 rounds, length of rope required will be 2 into 66. That means 132 meters of length of rope is required to us. So this is my first answer. This is an answer. This was the question. So the next question is find the cost if the rope is costing for rupees 4 per meter. We'll write cost of rope for 1 meter is equals to rupees 4. We require 132 meters of length of the rope. So to calculate its cost, we will do cost of rope for 132 meters. So we will multiply this 4 with total meters to get the total amount or the total cost of the rope. So I'll get 528 rupees is the cost for the total length of the rope required. So this is the solution for the question number 4. Very simple, very easy. Just for the fencing we will calculate the circumference and double the circumference for the 2 rounds of the rope, then calculate total length of the rope just by multiplying these 2 figures. So this is the answer. This is the second answer. Let's see question number 5. So the question number 5 is saying that from a circular sheet of paper with radius 4 centimeters. So we are given with a circular sheet, radius of which is 4 centimeter, and we are cutting out a piece of radius 3 centimeter out of it. So from this complete sheet we are cutting a circular sheet with radius 3 centimeter. It is saying that find the area of the remaining paper. So sheet, and I am removing this part having radius 3 centimeter out of it. I have to calculate the area for the remaining. This will be the remaining region that I have to calculate area for. So let's see how to do the question. We will write given small r or r1 is equals to 4 centimeter. Also R2 is equals to 3 centimeter. Now area of remaining region will be equals to what? Area 1 minus area 2. So what is my area 1? Pi r1 square minus what is my area 2 for the second circle? Pi r2 square. So I'll take this pi out. I'm left with r1 square minus r2 square. So what is the value of pi? I have to take 3.14 is the value. What is the value for r1? It is 4 square. This is 4 square minus 3 square. So this will be equals to 3.14, 16 minus 9. So this will be equals to 3.14 into 7. So after multiplying, we will get our answer as 21.98. Unit was centimeter, so the area will be in centimeter square. So this was the total sheet. This we have taken out, so we are left with this region. So we will just do the area for the complete circle minus area of this circle. We will left with the area of the remaining region. So this is how we have to perform this question. Hope you understood. Let's see next question. So this is question number 6. Similar to question number 4, circular table is given. A girl wants to lace on the edge of a circular table. So a circular table is given with the diameter 1.5 meters. So we can calculate the radius, and to calculate the total length of the lace. Why? Because we are talking about edge, so we will calculate the perimeter or circumference. So circumference 2 pi r, pi I have to take 3.14, 2 into 3.14 into 1.5 divided by 2 for the radius. So this much lace is required for what? To cover the edges of this table. So 1 meter cost for the 1 meter of the lace is given rupees 15. Cost of 1 meter lace is rupees 15, and we have to calculate the total cost for the lace. So this much meter is required of lace. Then we will, to calculate the total cost, we will just multiply these two figures. So this is the total cost occurring for this much meter of lace required to cover the edge of the circular table. This was the question number 6, similar to question number 4. Let's see question number 7. So question number 7 is asking us to find the perimeter of this adjoining figure. This figure is given to us. This is what? 10 centimeters. So given, we will write given diameter is equals to d is equals to 10 centimeter. This is a semicircle. As I have told you, perimeter of semicircle is what? Perimeter or circumference. Perimeter of semicircle. I have given you the formula for this. That was d plus pi r. So we have to take pi is equals to 3.14 according to the book. NCERT book I am following. So d is 10. Pi is 3.14. What is the value of r here? 10 by 2. 10 by 2 is the value here. So we can cancel out these decimals and take zeros in the denominator. So we are left with 157, and after calculating we are having 257 divided by 10. Put the decimal. This is the perimeter or the circumference of this semicircle. Just we need to learn this formula. So this is question number 6. A circular table is given and we have to paint the top of this circular table. So if we have to paint the top of the circular table, that means we have to calculate the area, region enclosed within the boundaries of that figure. So we will calculate the area first. We are given with the diameter. We will calculate r and then we will find area. Then we are given with the cost of polishing for 1 meter square is rupees 15, and we have to calculate the total cost of polishing. So I am just giving you hint. Given d is equals to 1.6 meter, so r will be equals to 1.6 divided by 2 meters. What is the formula for area of circle or circular table according to the question? Formula we know that is pi r square. Pi I have to take 3.14. It's given in the question. So 3.14 into 1.6 divided by 2 into 1.6 divided by 2. So this is the area of the circular table. This is meter square. So to calculate the total cost of polishing for 1 meter square of tabletop is equals to rupees 15 is given. So we have to calculate the cost of polishing for complete top of table, that will be equals to this area into 15. So we can cancel out the things that are cancelling out. So we will left tabletop. You can get your answer after doing the calculations. So what were the steps to do the question? We were given with the diameter. We will calculate the r. With r we can calculate the area. Why? Because we have to polish the top of the table. So 1 meter square cost is rupees 15. This much area we have to polish. So we will just multiply this figure with rupees 15 to get the total cost of polishing. Let's see question number 9. So in the question number 9, given length of wire is 44 centimeter. From this wire, a circle is made and we have to find the radius and area of that circle. So we will write length of a wire is equals to 44 centimeters. Therefore, if length of a wire is given, out of which we are making shapes, that means that length of wire is giving us what? Perimeter or circumference. Therefore, circumference of circle is made out of it. So circumference of circle is equals to 2 pi r. Pi r have to take 22/7 according to the question. So this is length of wire. This means this is giving us the circumference for the circle. This is equals to 2 pi r. We have to calculate r. R is equals to 44 into this 7 will take in the numerator and 2 into 22 in the denominator. So we are left with r is equals to 7 centimeters. This is my first answer. See how many questions they are asking in the question, that many answers you will get in your solution. So next is area of the circle. Area of circle. We know that it is pi r square. Pi is 22/7 r into r. So I am getting 154 centimeters or centimeters square. This is my second answer. It was asking us to find radius and area of the circle for which length of wire was 44 centimeters. So circumference was 44 centimeter, radius we will get 7. If we have radius, we can calculate the area for that circle. Now it is again saying that from the same wire, now square is made and we have to find the side of the square. So to find the side of the square, perimeter will remain the same. When we have a wire, we are making square out of it and circle out of it. That means we are using the same length of the wire. If we are using same length of the wire, that means the perimeter is same for both the figures. Therefore, we have perimeter of square is equals to, what is the formula? 4s. What is the value for the perimeter or length of wire is 44. 4s we have. So from here I am getting 44/4, that is s is equals to 11 centimeter. This is the side of the square. Now this is my third answer. Which figure has more area? That means we have to calculate area for this square first. Area of square is equals to s square, that is equals to 11 into 11, that is equals to 121 centimeter square. So this is the area for the square. This is the area for the circle. Which square and circle that have same perimeter? So clearly this figure is greater than 121. This is not my answer. They are not asking us to find the area of square. They are just asking which figure has more area. So I am writing here square shaped figure, sorry, circular shape. Circular shaped figure has more area. So this is question number 10th. This is a circular card with radius 14 centimeter. The radius for this complete circular card is 14 centimeter given in the question, and out of this circular card, two circular figures and a rectangle has taken out, and the radius for these two circular removals is 3.5 centimeter each. Fine. And the length and the breadth of this rectangular piece that has taken out is 3 centimeter and breadth is 1 centimeter. We have to find the area for the remaining sheet or card. This is the value of pi we have to make use of. So first we will do, to find the area of the remaining sheet, we will do or find the area for this complete sheet, then area of these two circles and area of this rectangular piece. Then from area, complete area, we will minus the values of the area of these parts. So let's see the solution. We'll write area of complete circular card, complete or full circular card, area will be pi r square. Pi I have to take 22/7 into 14 into 14. 7 2s are. So here I am writing this. Okay, I'll use numbers. So here this area is what I am getting, 616 centimeter square. Mark it number 1. Now to find the area of these two circles, area of small circle, that is equals to pi. R1 is the radius, r1 square. Pi is 22 by 7. r1 is 3.5 into 3.5. So this is my 10. This is my 10. 7 5s are 5. Okay, 5 2s are 5 7s are, and that's it. 2 1 1. So after cancelling, 77 by 2 centimeter square. But I have to consider this area twice because there are such two circular sheets or cards we are taking out of this complete card. So I'll write area of two small circles is equals to 2 of this area, twice of this area. So I am getting 77 centimeter square. Now to calculate the area of this rectangular sheet, I am writing here area of rectangle. We know the formula L into B. L is 3, B is 1, so the area is 3 centimeters. Here mark it number 3. Now taking these parts out, we are left with this much area that I am just shading. So this much area I have to calculate. What will I do? I will just do number 1. This is my number 1. So required area, I am writing required area will be equals to number 1 minus of what? Number 2 plus number 3. Okay, other way I can write number 1 minus 2 minus 3. Both means same. When we will open this bracket, we will reach to this result. So the value for 1 is 616 minus value for the double of the second double of the area of these circles is 77, and minus 3 is what? 3 centimeter square. So this much area, this you can calculate and you will get your answer in centimeter square. So this was the area we are left with for the remaining part of the sheet. I hope you get the solution for this question. Very important question this is. So these were first 10 questions. Today we have done from question number 4 to question number 10. These were from exercise 11.3. We'll see the next 7 questions in the next video. I hope you understood each and every step of the solutions as well as of the questions. If you have any doubt, you can ask me the questions in the comment section. If you're liking my teaching skills, and please let me know about the chapters you want me to teach you or you have a doubt in. Subscribe for more, and thank you for watching. Have a good day.